Okay, so this is my demo account. So basically, what happened yesterday is when they released this new demo thing on our shortbait bot. Because usually they were giving out bonuses for you to start, which was about $5 worth of Bitcoin. But now they don't have that anymore. They're just giving out free demo accounts so that you can practice. And once you are ready to invest on it, then it'll be easier for you and you'll know what is going on. So today I'm just going to show you what is going on and how you can start trading or practice trading with on the shortbait bot so that you can start to make some money with it. So this is a position that I opened yesterday. As you can see, I received 0.5 BTC yesterday, and then I made an order using the strategy that I'm going to teach you in this video. So I use this strategy, and today this is what I'm sitting at. I'm sitting with 0.8 all the way 0.89 all the way from 0.5. So that's my profit of 0.39 that I made in just a day. Because Bitcoin basically moved from $10,430 to $11,313 in just a day. So it's a matter of Bitcoin going up and down so that you capitalize on that. So before we dive into this video, I would really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below. Also join the Telegram group. Right now we only have 12 members on here, as you can see. But if you got anything that you need help with this way, I can help you one-on-one. As you can see, I just dropped the BTC script right there. Don't forget to join that Telegram group to keep updated with this way. Anyway, let's get into this video. This method is basically using two indicators that we're going to show. First thing that you need to do is to open your Telegram to get your shortbait bot first. So I'm just going to show you right now how you're going to do that. So there's a link down below. You use that link to get your Telegram. So basically, obviously, you're going to need Telegram channel first of all. Once you get Telegram channel, you use the link down below to open your Telegram bot. So that will give you the opportunity to get that free demo account. So if I can just switch back to my other account, I think it should be this one. So basically, this is how it's going to look like. So when you join with that link, that's going to be down below. It's going to be like this, right? So what you want to do once you have it like this, first things first, you're going to click on the start button. And then after, because you're going to have the method that I'm going to show you, you're going to predict whether Bitcoin is going to go up or down. So right now, let's say I'm predicting that I've made my conclusion after using the strategy that Bitcoin is going to go up. So I'll press on Bitcoin is going to go up. So to be able to use real money, you need to invest with this address right there. So the minimum, I think, is three zeros after the decimal with a 1. Which is worth less than $5, which is about $10, I think. Yeah, somewhere around $10. So that's the amount that you can cash out at with, because the minimum to cash out is 0.2 zeros after the decimal and the 1. So it's about $10. That's the minimum that you need to invest with, or the minimum that I recommend that you invest. So basically, as we want to try this using a demo account, so we're just gonna click on demo mode. And then basically it's going to give you 0.5 credited, then you confirm your position that you have seen. So basically you're now in for the trade. As you can see, I'm in a negative right now, just 0.49, because that's after the fees if I were to close this position right now. So once the Bitcoin has moved enough, all you have to do is just to close your market using this button right here. But right now I just want to show you to check your balance. You basically just come back and refresh every time when you see Bitcoin going up, because we're going to be keeping up to date with the Bitcoin movement with the method that I'm going to show you. We're just going to be focusing on the movement of Bitcoin and seeing when for that opportunity to close with some big profits. So just stay tuned. As you can see, okay, so Bitcoin right now just fell down very, very much. Not too much, but because we are playing with big money, obviously it's going to make a big impact on our account. So basically, let's carry on with this. So your transactions, this basically just shows you what is going on. As you can see, deposit was 0.5, which is the one that we got right now. And then basically you can go back to the main menu. On the main menu, as you can see, okay, we're still going down very much right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to close this. So that's how you close your position. And as you can see, I just made a loss right there because this was just a trial, just to show you what is going on. But anyways, let's jump into the strategy. So the strategy we're going to be using, you also need to install this app called TradingView. You can get it on your Play Store or on whatever device you're getting. Also on your MacBook and on your desktop. You also have you can also use it, but I prefer it on the mobile phone because you can add up quite a lot of indicators there, and it's just easier to manage on the go. So basically you're gonna need these two indicators. So if I can just go to my indicators list and show you what I got on here. Basically right now the indicators that I have are the parabolic saw. That is the parabolic saw. So we're just gonna search the ones that we already got right there. Let me just parabolic saw with it. So basically we just have it, the parabolic saw with its basic settings right there, and then we got this indicator as well. Okay, so the indicators that we're going to be using today is going to be the Bollinger Bands, which is this, as you can see, the lines, 3 lines that you can see right there. So it is made out of 3 moving averages at different settings. So you just use the default settings that come with it on TradingView, as well as the parabolic saw. Okay, the third one is just an extra indicator, but we're mainly going to focus on those 2 indicators. So basically this strategy, as you can see, what we want to focus on, let me just get my pen. So right here, what we want to focus on is every time you see a new parabolic saw dot right there forming right there at the bottom of the candle, that means we are expecting a buy. So we need to check out for a trend, which is going to be the uptrend market. So we check out for that, and then on the second confirmation candle we go in. So as you can see, obviously at some point you're gonna see that it's gonna go back down, but you don't have to exit a trade. Just wait for the time that you're gonna exit a trade is when you see the next parabolic saw forming. So basically it shows a reversal candle. Like it's gonna show you the time when a reversal of the market is gonna start occurring. We're basically trading on a trend reversals. As I say, so when it hits this the top Bollinger Band, that means it's at the top, it's at the maximum, and it's not gonna, it has to go down. But if parabolic saw is showing an uptrend, then we have to keep holding, because as you can see, it can reach there and then still go up. That's why we trade with 2 indicators. So we also have to confirm with the trend on investing.com. So I'm just gonna, let me just quickly show you. So I'm just gonna quickly switch to my desktop right here. So right here, as you can see, this is investing.com. So on the website, you basically want to go to this chart right here, we say to the tab, we say technical analysis. So we're going to go to the technical analysis right there. That's where I am right now. And then we're going to look for Bitcoin. So we want to look for cryptocurrency under this tab. And then we're going to look at Bitcoin. So that this helps us to confirm our signals so that we actually on the right track. This is showing an uptrend here on TradingView. And then our analysis also show that we are on the uptrend. Then that means we can go in. That's just to confirm our signal that, okay, we're on the right track. We can basically just go in on the trade. So I'm just going to show you right now. As you can see, there's strong sell, strong sell, strong sell. So if it's a sell on our indicators, then that means it's actually confirmed that it's going to go down. So we just have to enter the trade and then wait for it to make its move and wait for that new reversal to start. Okay, that's when we exit the market. I use the 15-minute chart. This strategy works best on the 15-minute chart. So here on investing.com, we want to come here and go to the technical analysis right there. So we just click on there, and then it's going to take us to that tab that we want, where it's going to show you whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend, depending on what's going on in the market. We want to focus on the 15-minute chart, which is right here. This one, that's the one that we're going to be trading on, because our strategy works best on that, according to the previous trades that I've been placing. So we want to confirm that on 5-minute chart is going to be the same. On 15-minute chart is going to be the same, as well as the 30 and hourly. So we just need to confirm that in the next 1 hour, whilst we're trading on the 15-minute chart, there is going to be in the same state. That is, so right now it's going to be a buy, which is good. So if we switch back to our, let me just switch back to my laptop, to my tablet, so that I can show you what's going on there. So right now it's saying it's a buy, right? And as we can see, as I say here, you can see that it's actually a buy because it's still going up. The parabolic saw isn't yet showed us a reversal candle, so we can still go in and say that it's actually a trend that's going up. So it has been confirmed. So what I want to show you right here, let me just erase this quickly. Okay, so as you can see, if we had entered our trade right here, we could have been in big profits right now. I mean, you saw what happened with the Bitcoin right there with 0.5 that we entered with. Right here at the bottom, you see there was 11,000, and then right now we are at, and then it went all the way up to 11,500. So we could at least have made almost half the amount that we invested in. So if you're invested 1,000, that means you would have made at least $500, 400 to 500 US dollars right there, because that's half. Because every time it moves $1,000, then you have the chance to actually double your account. So that would have been made half your account right there in just a couple of minutes, because this actually 15, because every candle right here represents 15 minutes. So every candle is 15 minutes. So if you can count this, that's about, I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll say roughly about 3 to 5 hours right there. We would have made $500 in just a day. So that's the power of trading Bitcoin right there. So this strategy, obviously I cannot teach you the whole strategy in this one video. So down below is going to be a link. I'm going to leave a link down below where you can go and get this PDF. You can go get this PDF for free, but then also to get to, if you want this specific strategy that I'm showing you here in depth, it's actually for sale for just $9. So down below you can get the PDF that will help you understand a bit more with these trading strategies. But this specific strategy is for sale as a course that I recently enrolled into, and it's really working and I understand it. So if you want in-depth analysis and just video, step-by-step videos and a PDF, there's a link also down below. You can get that for yourself. It just costs right now just $10, just below $10. So it's still in the pre-launch phase, so you can get it for the cheapest price possible. So as you can see, this is a profitable method. If you do not understand it, I would recommend that you just spend that $9. It's a 60-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you can actually get your money back. I really like this strategy. Don't forget to go down below and get those links for yourself and check it out for yourself and try it for yourself. So without wasting much of your time, I think I'm just going to wrap it up here. I'm going to do another video explaining more and showing you how everything actually goes. So stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also drop down comments if you got any questions or comments on this, on what you think of this strategy. Also check out, I'm going to leave the blog link also down below, where I just really show you what the strategy is about in details on a blog. So I mean, this is a short video. I can't really put everything into it. I'm trying to keep it under 20 minutes. I think I'm actually over 20 minutes right now. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.